What's the meaning of avowedly? Avowedly. Avowedly.
Avowedly. Avowedly. Avowedly is an adverb that means something is acknowledged, declared or admitted openly or candidly. It is derived from the verb avow, which means to declare something openly or publicly. When used in a sentence, avowedly emphasizes the fact that what follows is a clear, transparent or honest admission or acknowledgement. For example, she avowedly stated that she disagreed with the policy, emphasizes that the speaker made it clear and explicit that her opinion was in disagreement with the policy.